Okay, it is Monday morning. It is Monday the 4th of May. May the 4th be with you, Year 5.
May
the 4th be with you. Wonderful. We're not doing Star Wars characters. Can anybody do a Star Wars character?
Yoda.
No? Good.
May the Force be with you.
Good, thank you. Princess Leia. We know.
Yoda. Luke Skywalker.
Fantastic, thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, this morning we're going to be identifying edges, faces, and vertices. We have got what they call here. Look, it's not drawn brilliantly, but I think it looks all right. It's a cuboid. We have a cuboid. Okay, why is it a cuboid?
It's a cuboid. Because it's a cuboid.
Beautiful. It's a 3D shape, isn't it? It's not a cube. It's a cube that's been stretched. It is a cuboid. It has edges, it has faces, and it has vertices. We're going to try and identify what each of those are, aren't we? Good. Shall we start with edges? Or shall we start with faces? Or shall we start with vertices? Whoa. Faces is easier, isn't it? A face, basically, is one of these. Okay? And if we were to unfold this shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, that would be our 1, 2, 3, 4 side faces. And then we've got a top face and we've got a bottom face. Folded it all together, we'd end up with this cuboid. This is what's known as a net. A net. 3D shape turned into a 2D shape. Does that make sense? Sort of. Okay? Sort of. Basically, if I had this box and I broke it apart, I wonder if I can do this. Like this. Look at my breaking boxes. Oh dear.
Break the box.
So I've got a box.
That's what he's doing.
Hello. You can see it's got 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, and then it's got a top and it's got a bottom. 6 faces. So it's got 6 faces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7.
The edges are basically the straight lines. Okay? The straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a top face. 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12.
That's what I said. 12 faces.
12 faces. No, 12 edges.
I know what
Okay.
vertice is.
So I've got the faces, we've got the edges. What's missing?
Vertices.
Vertices. What's vertices?
Vertices are the points.
The points.
No.
The beautiful corners.
No.
1,
However many triangles
2,
you can make from one corner.
3,
It's just a corner.
4,
No.
5,
No, it's however many
6,
triangles you
7,
can make from one corner.
No,
8.
Bob, it's just the corners.
just the corners.
What? It's however many triangles you can make.
No, it's just the corners.
The corners.
You're thinking about 2D shapes. If I've got a 2D shape like this, and I've split it, basically a square is made up of 2 triangles. A pentagon, or an hexagon even, is made up of more triangles. Okay? Basically, it's usually the number of triangles in a square. I don't want to confuse you. I don't want to confuse you too much, but basically the number of triangles is usually 2 less than the number of sides. Okay? But then that's not what vertices. Vertices in a 3D shape is basically the corners. Okay? Okay, so I don't want to confuse you with that. Yeah? What vertices? Vertices. Vertices.
So did you say that on there?
8. Okay?
Why is the dot above the sea?
Why's what?
The dot is above the sea in the word.
It's running. It's running away. It's running away.
From you.
It's running away. No, it's running towards me. It's excited to see me.
But Mister,
Okay?
what is the edge?
What's what?
What is the edge?
It's
The
above
corners.
Mr. Robert, it's above the sea because it doesn't want to see you.
Good point. Okay? So, edges, faces, vertices. Faces, the flat bits. Yeah. Edges, 1, 2, basically all the lines. Yeah. And vertices, the corners. Happy?
Yeah. No.
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 Confused?
No.
Ready for mock test?
Yes.
Ready for a mock test? Okay. Yeah. Happy? Good.
No.
May the 4th be with you.
May the 4th be with you. Yeah.